Yeah.
You're off today?
No. It was hailing.
Faster, Dad.
Come on. Come on, please. Can you hold the umbrella?
I can.
Hold it. Naya, come.
How's your day? Huh?
In 2 days, okay,
Good.
I'll be off.
Did you guys play at the hail?
I'm
Ding
sorry.
dong. Look outside.
It's okay.
No. No, okay. What happened to your hair?
Oh. Okay, come on now.
I said you're right.
I will try. Come on.
Daddy, it's raining. Go.
What was that?
Okay, let's go.
Go quickly, Dad.
What do you mean?
Louie. So hard, Dad. So hard.
Your day is the best. Good.
That one is so hard. Finally. Guys, it's snowing.
Come on, Mama.
I'm so happy. It's so happy, you guys. Wow. It's so nice. Wow. So drizzly. Wow.
Hello.
Oh, finally, guys. I'm back to school, so I'm back to school, so Daddy just picked me up. So it's drizzling. I love it. My best forever. Wow, Dad. There's a lot of snows coming now.
Look, it's like a circle.
What did you say?
Thank you, Archie, so guys.
It doesn't come on.
Enough.
Oh, this is Naya's homework. Tamis, man. Tamis.
Stop. I got homework.